On today's video, I'll be showing you a low-carb carne asada with over 20 grams of protein per serving. Now, I'm 5'10", about 170 pounds, so my daily calorie intake I've calculated for maintenance is around 2,800 calories with approximately a 40-40-20 split. What that means is 40% of those calories comes from protein, 40% comes from carbohydrates, so equal protein and carbs, and the remaining 20% come from fats. I'll include more information in the link below, and don't forget, all of this information can be found in my book Ultra Lean, which also includes a 12-week nutritional plan and everything you need to know about mastering your metabolism, which at the end of the day allows us to gain better control towards building and maintaining lean, healthy muscle mass and starving off or burning our body fat, which essentially is just stored energy. Okay, with that being said, let's get started on our first recipe of the day. Check out more of our videos here on my channel, along with my fitness app and all programming. And I can't wait to share more recipes and talk more about diet and nutrition with you. Do subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, leave some feedback. I'll be sure to review them all. I'll see you guys soon.